Make my day. Technotronic, 1989. Pump up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at. You'll find out if you do that. You'll find out if you do that. Pump up the jam, bump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is pumping. Look ahead, the crowd is jumping. Pump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, 'cause that's where the party's at. You'll find out if you do that.
Let's learn Pump Up the Jam. It's choreographed by Kristin Clove. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Pump Up the Jam. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to press your right foot forward. So we're going to step forward onto our right foot with a slightly bent left knee. We're going to recover back onto your left, and as you recover back, you're going to slightly hit your right knee up. You're now going to do a right pony step back. So you're going to step back with your right foot, and as you step back with your right, you're going to hit your left knee up. You're going to come down onto your left foot, step back with your right, and hit your left knee up. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and place your right heel into the right diagonal. Bring your right foot in and next to your left, and then slightly cross your left over your right. We're now going to do 2 paddle turns that are going to make a quarter turn. So you're turning over your left shoulder, making an 1/8 of a turn, putting your right toe to the right side. You're now facing about 10:30. You're going to make another 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder as you put your right toe to the right side to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your press forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to lock your left foot in and behind your right. And as you lock behind, you're going to pop your right knee up. You're now going to shuffle forward with your right foot, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do 2 quarter turning hops. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you hop with both feet. You're now facing about 6 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turning hop over your left shoulder as you hop with both feet to face 3 o'clock, and your weight's going to be on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You just finished that paddle turn. You're facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do your step lock with a pop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a wizard with our right. So you're going to step your right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right. Right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. We're now going to weave to the left, crossing our right behind our left. Step your left foot to the left side and cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our turning hops. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your wizard. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You are going to step your left foot to the left side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you sit down onto your left foot, and you're going to slightly pop your right knee up, keeping your right toe on the floor. You're now going to do hip pushes, so you're going to push your hips forward with your right and then back with your left, and you want this to be kind of like a circular motion, so you want it to be kind of like a wave motion. You're now going to do 2 walks forward, step forward, right, step forward, left. You're now going to step forward with your right, and you're going to do a 3/4 pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again with your press forward. Now, if you don't make it all the way around on that 3/4 turn, you have your press forward to allow yourself to square completely up to your next wall. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our weave. You're facing 3 o'clock. You're going to step and make that quarter turn sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot, and you're facing 9 o'clock, ready to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your press. Press, back, hitch with your pony step, side, heel, ball, cross, 8th paddle. Step, lock, and shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter hop. Wizard, side, rock, recover, sailor, step, weave, behind, side, cross. Side, quarter, sit, hip, roll forward, back, walk, step, 3/4 pivot. Weight's on your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your press forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, there's no ending listed on the step sheet, but it does end facing the front wall. So what you're going to do is your final wall, you're going to do the first 6 counts of the dance. So you're going to do your press, back, pop with your pony step, side, heel, ball, cross. Now instead of doing your paddles, you're just going to step your right foot to the right side and do a very sassy ending, and you will end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your press with your hitch. Press, hitch, back, pony, step, side, heel, ball, cross. 8th paddle, step, lock in your shuffle forward, rock, recover, quarter hop. Wizard, side, rock, recover, sailor, step, weave, step, side, quarter turn, press forward, back, walk, 3/4 pivot, press. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press back, pitch, pony step, side heel, ball cross, eighth paddle, step. Lock in your shuffle, rock, recover, quarter hop, wizard, side rock, recover, sailor, step in your weave, step to the side, quarter sit, hip forward, back, walk, step, 3/4 pivot press, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to keep on going, and that is the whole dance. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to practice it with the rear demo as much as you would like so that you can go and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Pump Up the Jam. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Make my day. Technotronic.